Hey everyone, I'm sure you've all heard about Elon Musk's massive aerospace company, SpaceX. Well, there is huge news in the financial world right now. SpaceX is officially launching its highly anticipated IPO on June 12, 2026. But do you actually know what an IPO, initial public offering, means, and how it gives you a chance to become a part owner of SpaceX? In today's video, we are going to break down exactly what an IPO is in the simplest way possible. Let's dive in. Imagine you started a small bakery and it's doing incredibly well. Now you want to expand your business and open branches all across the country. To do that, you need a massive amount of money, let's say 10 million rupees. You have two main options to get this money. You can take a massive bank loan, but then you have to pay heavy monthly interest. Or you can sell small pieces of your company, called shares, to the public in exchange for their money. When a privately owned company decides to choose option 2, meaning they sell their shares to the general public for the very first time to raise money, that process is called an IPO, or an initial public offering. Why do giant companies like SpaceX do this? To raise massive capital, it allows them to collect billions of dollars from the public to fund massive future projects like Starship or Starlink without being burdened by bank debt. To boost reputation, going public brings huge global credibility and trust to the brand. But what's in it for you? It gives regular people like you and me the opportunity to buy shares, invest in their growth, and profit. If the company succeeds in the future through stock price increases or dividends. So, with the SpaceX IPO dropping this June 12, 2026, we are standing at the edge of financial history. If you had the money right now, would you instantly buy a piece of Elon Musk's space empire? Or do you think it's just a risky hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.